Welcome to my channel, and I'm Miss Anupama. So my dear friends and students, welcome back. As I told you, I started the series of English grammar, and today what we are going to learn is the series of that only. Okay, in my previous video we started pronoun, and in the last video as I covered first pronoun, that is personal pronoun, and today we are going to learn a second pronoun, very important, and we are going to learn about it. We are going to learn it by definition, by the examples. Okay, and at the end there will be an exercise also. Okay, one assignment I'm going to give to all my dear friends and students. You have to complete it and send it on my comment box. Okay, chalo, then let's get started. So as you can see on the board, my dear friends and students, this is the second pronoun, that is demonstrative pronoun. The demonstrative pronoun. So the demonstrators, okay, the demonstrative words. So in English language there are 4 demonstrative words. Okay, how many? 4 demonstrative words. Just remember this. There are 4 demonstrative words in English language. And what are those? First is this, 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 and these, THEAC. Okay, this and these. The third one is that, 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 and fourth one is those, THOSE, those. Okay, now understood what are demonstrative words. Okay, so these 4 words are the demonstrative words. Now we'll learn the definition of demonstrative. Just have a look on the board. So demonstrative pronouns are pronouns that point to specify object, okay, that points to specific objects, okay, specific objects. They take the place of a noun. They take the place of a noun, noun phrase, okay, they take the place of noun, in the place of noun, and noun phrases, okay, it takes the place of noun, noun phrase, activity or situation, okay. So they always consist. So demonstrative pronouns, as I told you earlier also, demonstrative pronouns consist of this, these, that, and those, okay. So they are also used as adjectives. They are also used as adjective and pronouns in sentences, okay. So we'll just see some more detail of the demonstrative pronoun and some examples of it. Okay, have a look now. Okay, a demonstrative adjective modifies a noun and it comes before it. Okay, once again, a demonstrative pronoun, a demonstrative adjective modifies a noun and comes before it. Example, this apple is good. Okay, this apple. So here apple is a noun. Okay, apple is a noun. So before noun, this. Okay, so this is a demonstrative pronoun. And the second example, as you can see, I like those houses. I like those houses. So here houses are noun. Okay, houses are noun. So before noun we got demonstrative pronoun. So these and that, okay, THI is this and that, modify singular nouns, okay, these and that modify singular noun, okay, got it. Now we'll move towards the next. Just pay attention and be attentive. These and those refers to plural form, okay, THEAC, these, and THOSE, those, we refer to plural form of noun, okay, plural forms, plural nouns. We can refer this to plural nouns, these 2 words, that is this and those. So the words like this, THI, this, that, these, those are used to point out things. We used to point out things, okay. When we point out things, when we point out things that are near us, we use this, THI, this, okay, this is my chalk, okay, this and these, okay, singular form this and plural form these, okay, these are my books, okay, these are my books, and this is my book, okay, singular form this and many, okay, plural form these. And when we point out things which are at a distance, okay, which are very far, So that time we use that, okay, that for singular noun, and singular noun, and those for a plural form, okay, singular and plural form. Got it? Understood? Okay, once again, okay. So the words this and that, those, these, that, these and those are used to point out things, only things. When we point out things that are near, we use what we use? This for singular and these for plural form, okay, which are near to us. And when we point out, when we wanted to point out something or certain things, so that time which are at a distance, which are far away from us at a distance, so we use that for singular noun and those for the plural noun. Okay, understood? Now we'll quickly have some examples, okay, example sentences we'll read out, and then I'll give one assignment, question and answer series. I'm going to start from this session. Okay, yeah, now just read the sentences, okay, read the sentences after me, so you'll get a complete idea of what are the demonstrative pronouns. Okay, so now the first sentence is this, T-H-I-S, this is the most beautiful poem, this is the most beautiful poem she has ever written. Okay, see this, okay, this is the most beautiful poem she has ever written. So T-H-I-S, this, okay, demonstrative pronoun. Now the second sentence, that is my friend's house, that, far, okay, so that is my friend's house. Now singular, now plural form, okay. So third sentence says that these are not my pencils, plural form, these are, okay, are, plural form. When we are talking about singular thing, we use is, okay. So these are not my pencils. Now the fourth one is those, okay, those are the boys, those are the boys who broke the window. Okay, so see, those are the boys who broke the window. I hope, my dear friends, that with this sentences, I guess that your concept of demonstrative pronoun is crystal clear. Yes? Okay. Now I'm going to give you some questions. You have to write down the answers and drop that in my comment box. And please do watch this video till the end. Okay, so we'll get the complete idea. Got it? As you can see here, one exercise is given to you. Okay, so this exercise says that fill in the blanks with appropriate demonstrative pronouns. Now you understood, I explain you in detail what are demonstrative pronouns. Okay, so here this exercise is given to you, 4 sentences, you have to complete it, and this answers you have to drop down in my comment box. Okay, so the first one is dash is my father's car. Okay, dash, what comes? Demonstrative pronoun, 4 words. Okay, you know that. So dash is my father's car. So the appropriate, the correct demonstrative pronoun you have to fill here. The second one, dash are the students who came late. Dash are the students who came late. The third one, dash is my room. Dash is my room. The fourth one, dash are not my books. Okay, dash are not my books. Understood? Please solve this exercise and all the answers please drop into my comment section. Okay, I'll be replying to each one of you. So thank you, dear friends, students, for watching my